Hey, welcome back to Home Tour Tuesday, where this week we're going to take a look at a slideshow of a modified Windridge plan, which is a 32 by 24 footprint. This particular design was modified to incorporate some additional log courses in the roof line so that your porch roof tucks up underneath the roof line as opposed to ties into the roof line. Very complimentary of the John Oliver cabin in Cades Cove National Park. So what you see here is a flat log dovetail cornered chink style construction. This is our signature 6x12 Douglas fir log with the dovetail corner and your 4-inch chink joint. The porch construction is heavy timber construction with exposed timber posts, header beams, rafters, and exposed tongue and groove. As we move around to the back side of the house, you have pretty much the same roof line that where the porch roof tucks up underneath the roof. You've got timber porch construction on the back as well. Both of these porches are 32 by 8, so 32 feet long, 8 feet deep, and both done from timber construction. For this image, you can see the log wall construction with the dovetail corner, and then up in the gable ends, we did a wavy lap siding on the both gables. Going around to the other side of the exterior of the rear of the home, you can see a nice cultured stone finish with a water table, stone water table at your transition between your foundation log, and then you see a cultured stone fireplace with a taper at the top going up to the top of the chimney with a shroud and a cap. As we move to the inside, we've got a living, kitchen, and breakfast or eating area space. This entire space is 17 by 24 outside dimension. If you come to the inside of the staircase, you're at about 14 feet to the inside of the wall, and then you're about 23 feet deep to include the living room space and the kitchen space. Nice wood floors, exposed timber, second floor construction. For the ceiling, you've got an exposed structural girder with exposed timber ceiling beams and tongue and groove decking, structural tongue and groove decking above that. Living room has a built-in insert fireplace with a cultured stone surround up to mantle height with a nice timber mantle and mantle legs. As you can see, your timber floor construction, your log wall construction on the interior all the way up to the top of the log wall plate. Oversized front door, a 42-inch front door. As we move around, looking back at the kitchen, you see nice wood floors. Kitchen has wood cabinets, a wood butcher block for the island, and stainless steel appliances. And this plan doesn't really have a dining area. It has more of a breakfast nook area that's attached to the kitchen with a rear entry going out to the back of a porch in this particular case, or in the standard plan going out to a stoop or an open deck or a grill porch or something like that. So all kinds of ability to modify these particular plans as this client did with this particular home. As you can see, the living area looking up into the loft area, we did a conventional staircase with a wood rise and a wood tread, did a wood rail and rail post, and then did cable wire for the spindles, which is a nice look for both the interior and exterior if you're looking to maximize that view. Then you can see with the roof construction, we've got heavy timber roof construction with a timber ridge beam, timber rafters, structural 2x6 tongue and groove, a vapor barrier over that. And then you've got a SIP panel, which is a structural insulation panel. That's an R38 panel. And you've got a final layer of sheathing, underlayment, and then you've got your finished roofing material. So a heavy timber built up roof with a high R value. Picture of the kitchen showing the wood butcher block with the wood floors and wood cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Just an incredible look of this particular kitchen space. Nice and efficient as well. The entire plan is about 1,250 square feet, which is very close to the standard plan. And it's just a really efficient space. This is the master bath, which is a nice spacious area. It's 8 by 12, so it's 8 feet deep, 12 feet long, which incorporates a custom tile shower with a tub area, and you've got a vanity and a toilet area that's not shown here. Exposed beam ceilings for the second floor in the master bath, as well as the master bedroom, wood floors throughout the master suite. Nice spacious master suites, about 14 by 12. This particular design. Walk-in closet. This is showing the heavy timber roof construction on the ceiling with the ridge beam and the exposed rafters and the tongue groove. And then to complement the tongue and groove and the ceiling, they did a T&G on the interior gables. Wood floors up in the loft area. This is actually a 14 by 12 loft. So a nice spacious loft area where you could do a game room, you could do a sofa bed, overflow space. This is the upstairs bedroom, which is also about 14 by 12, exposed beam ceilings, 2 twin beds, lots of light. And then the upstairs bathroom, which also has a walk-in tile shower, hidden commode space, and then a vanity. And that caps off the slideshow tour of this modified Windridge plan. If you would like to take a look at any of our standard plans or see how we can modify or customize a plan that fits your specific needs and wants, please give us a call. Go to our website at stonemill.com or give us a call at 800-438-8274 to talk to us about your particular project and any of our designs. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tour. Please give us a call anytime. We look forward to you joining us next week for more Tip Tuesday, and then next month for the next home tour Tuesday. Until then, take care, stay safe and healthy. We look forward to seeing you next time.